Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your iPhone 12 mini, at first you have to go to the settings, then tap on the Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate this feature. After that we have to open charging case of our AirPods. Keep holding. Click Connect. Right now we have to move our case and click and hold this button. So click and keep holding. As you can see, right now they are connecting and we can release this button. And right now we can just skip them. And here we got also the capacity of the battery of AirPods and the charging case. And right now they are connected, so we can easily put AirPods to ear and listen to the music or watch videos. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!